si Magic.
Luto muna kami ng dinner.
Kaya ako kayo dyan pa.
Hindi pa yan, pakuluan mo muna.
Itaas niyo po. Hindi sa ilalim.
Kunin mo na yung charger. Ayan.
Keys. A car drives on roads and takes us places. Let's find its spot. Here it is. Thank you.
Getting ready na si Dina. Lalabas kami pagkatapos maluto yung aming ulam. Para pagbalik may ulam na kami. Ayan. Look at mama.
Oh, you're hot, you're hot, you're hot. You're hot.
Wow.
Oh, go to beach.
Here it is, ambulance.
Oh, sit down here. Ay!
Open and close. Open and close. Open, 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 close, close.
Dylan! Where are you?
Say hello. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Hi guys.
Oy!
Hi guys.
Ay, ay, ay.
Sleeper, get a sleeper.
Oh. Put on your slipper.
Yes na.
Wow. Show mommy your dinosaur. Dina.
Dinosaur, how to dinosaur? Ayaw niya.
Ay.
I just put a heart here. Okay.
All
Oh,
done.
what do you say?
Thank you.
Wow.
Kinakain siya, Ash?
Ha?
Kinakain na?
Oo. Sexy! 4:30 p.m. Wow! Halika na.
Dapat tawagan sa akin dito. Pakainin niyo yung boss. Ngayon.
Let's go to the beach! Wala na. Excited?
Excited.
Go to the beach?
Okay. Hello. Okay.
Going? Yes. Go beach.
Go beach again.
Here. We're going to Diniwid Beach. Yes.
Going to Going to beach. Going to beach.
Welcome to Diniwid. Ito pala oh. Doon nga no, doon ba yun?
Oo, dun yun.
Si Kuya, yung nagpipicture sa Labros. Punta kami sa Labros Point. Ay si Papa oh, saan doon? Ayun yung mga rocks dati na pinagpicture natin. Ayan, Diniwid Beach. Oo, doon. Ayan, doon punta kami doon.
Kanina, doon tayo.
Ayan, mabato lang. Ayan. Ay, medyo mabato lang. Pa! Be, yung phone mo.
Dito na tayo, ma'am.
Ayan, si Kuya Jasper. Magpipicture muna siya sila mama at papa. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung view dito.
Yung ganyan, mama.
Tigat ka dalawa ni sir.
Ate, si Rico.
Ate, hindi to. Dito naman. Dadaan kayo, ma'am.
Pabalik na kami sa Station 1. Ayan, mahaba pala to. Oh, so many stones!
Tara na,
for
Sasan!
jumping.
Tara! Tara, Sasan!
Let's go to the beach.
Beach,
Go to beach.
Dali na, go to the beach! Go to the beach!
Ang ganda ng picture ni Kuya. Tapos na yung photoshoot namin. Ano ba? Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag nga ulit? Labros Point. Magsi-6 na ata, ano? 5:30.
Ikaw, ligo-ligo. Mamaya pagdating din, magigo ka. Hindi ako magigo na ako.
Ito kayo? Ligo tayo pa?
Ako ayoko maligo. Malamig na.
Umaga lang, kaya ka mag-isba. Kung malaro dito, buhangin. Tara!
Low tide pa din.
Son?
Napagod na si Dylan. Dylan, naloko. Dylan, loko. Punta tayo sa Sunny Cafe? Sunnyside Cafe. Saan na sila, mama? Ayun.
Hotdog, gusto mo dito.
Sit down. Ayun lang, dito lang, oh. O, dig ka, o, dig. O, dig. O, you dig. Wow.
Castle?
Yes.
My castle?
Castle. Oh. Oh, you make a castle. Yes or no? Yes, make a castle, oh. Mhm. Mhm. More sense. Okay, come on. Oh, more sun. Dylan is making a sand castle. O, dali. O, shovel. Dylan shovel. And Mama's shovel. O, you make your castle. Sobrang pino ng buhangin. Oh. Parang harina. Ang ganda. Parang harina. Hmm? Ganda yun. No, 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 no. Oh, more sense. Oh, more sense. Dig. Dig, dali. Dig. Oh, you dig.
Wow!
Yes.
Oh, wait, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot. Oh,
It's hot.
oh ouchie.
It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, touch, oh, it's hot. Hot.
Touch it. It's hot.
Oh, dirty your hands, oh. Oh, wipe your hands.
Yes.
Eat.
More, more, more.
Hot dog. Yummy hot dog. Oh, more.
It's hot? Dylan, it's hot?
Kinama may barbecue tsaka ano.
Oh, daddy, would you like it, daddy? Oh, ito.
Barbecue po.
Hindi pwede sa'yo yung may...
You like that?
Bawal ko ata isa eh.
Your feet. Oh, you make a feet.
Oh.
Magkano ano dito? Let's
Kain tayo.
eat.
Akala ko mahal. Kasi na.
Sige lang. Nagutom si Dylan.
Layo ba naman nun eh.
15 isang isaw. Mhm.
Wala gas.
Oh, what do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
O, give mo kay Kuya, give, oh.
Dali, oh, play ha, oh. Like this.
Oh.
Oh, dali. Ayun, okay, stand up. Ayun, oh. Oh.
Wow! Wow!
Dylan, what is the color?
Eh, pabalaw.
Color red, white.
Hindi mo tayo nag-barbecue ah. Mama, barbecue pa mo to.
Barbecue.
May bagyo. Ay, gana.
Yung ganisa. Ano ba yan? 1.5 na yan? Eh. Dahil naman oh.
Saan ba? Ayan, pinaka-ano mo. Ano ata? Ano yan? No, cruise
Uy!
ship?
Nilando! No,
Yung
don't
mga
throw.
galing ibang
Don't
bansa
throw.
yan eh.
Oo.
Yung lumalapag dito, di ba? Okay, ito ko
Don't throw.
May malaki pa yung jumbo.
Ay! Sige, malayo yan.
Dylan, look oh. Dylan, look. Dylan, look at mama oh. Benta natin, ano,
Mama's toy.
O, dali na. Your feet
Ito,
daw.
ito.
Hide your feet.
I like that.
You like?
Ito, my miss.
Put your light oh.
My head.
Wow.
Castle.
You put inside.
Wow!
Marunong.
What's that? What do you see?
A knife.
A
A night. It's night na. It's dark.
It's
It's
dark.
night. It's night. Inside.
Flashlight.
What's inside? What do you see?
Ooh, big. No. And
I see. I see.
I like that.
Yes. Oh, you open daw. Dig daw. Dig daw. Dig. Wow.
That's Lulu.
Inside.
Ilan look oh?
Look. Ilan? Ilan oh? Ito si Mami.
Wow.
Make house, raw.
Hoy, makain mo dilan ha, sa mata mo. Shh, no!
Ano? Hindi yan mabuo kasi ano, dapat yung basa.
Oo, Dylan. Wow.
Ilan oh? Ilan? Ilan oh? Look.
Look at the sky oh. Dylan look oh.
Picture ka na.
Na,
Na, na.
Wow.
Wake up.
Ay!
O yung mga bar. Lang kami bago umuwi, ma. Magsi 7 na eh.
Lalakad kami sa kabilang dagat.
Yan. Naghahanap ng mga friends.
Friend, a friend,
Oh, your friend, oh.
Friend, hello,
Hi.
friend. Hello, friend. Dance, dance na, dance. Hello, friend.
Wow, dance, dance. Dylan, dance daw. Hi. Si Dylan. Nakahanap ng kalaro. Running! Careful, careful, careful. Run!
Okay, running. Yep, stop, stop, running.
Careful. Andun, iniwan ko. Shortcut.
Yan talaga. Sinaiyak mo yung 2.5 years old. Ano? Nang buwang na po.
Nagpaiyak pa si Dylan. Ikaw bad yun. Oh, you wait. Go down.
100 kilo?
Oh.
Apat na tao lang.
Ha?
Ay, 5 tao. 100 kilo yung
Saan?
kaya. Ayun oh, wait. Stoy. Dito lang.
You're home.
Madulas nila, madulas.
Home again. Oh, what happened?
Oh, it's broken.
Pe. Pe.
Play lang, play.
Mama, yeah.
No more Kuya Hash. Tinawagan niyo?
Puta ni Maki.
Ha?
Puta, tulog daw. Nasa labas pa. Sleep time. Dapat. Uy! Kiss Papa? Kiss Papa?
Dylan, say good night now. Good night, everybody.